Hello everyone, thanks for joining my unboxing. Today I'm unboxing the Sowoozoo Blu-ray disc for the BTS 2021 muster. And so this particular muster, the pre-order began in April of 2022, and the actual Blu-ray released on June 22nd, and it arrived probably about a week after that or so. I did order it from the global shop. I did that because the price was a little bit less or about the same as ordering it from the US shop, but you could receive it earlier. So let's go ahead and take a look. This particular concert was live streamed and there was no audience. So it was during the height of the pandemic, or rather during the height of not allowing people to join concerts live. And so let's take a look at this Blu-ray. So it comes with kind of a plastic cover over it, and it was sort of a sci-fi space theme to this particular muster. And so it says it was 2021, June 13th and June 14th at live online streaming. And looks like we have some photo cards first. Let's take a look at these. Of course, they're printed on photo paper, so have RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. Very nice. And let's see what else is in here. Push this a little out of the way. So we have, starting with the Blu-ray, looks like it's 3 disc. And part 1 is the concert, the second is also the concert, and the 13 is the making for day 1 and day 2. So the nice thing about this concert was, I believe day 1 was the regular muster, and then day 2 was the international one where they perform some different songs in other languages. In particular, Film Out and Wishing on a Star were done in Japanese, so that was fun. And what else do we have here? We also have the photo book. These look like the same style from the concert. And the photo card, I drew Jin. This particular photo book seems a little smaller than the others. And that is it. Really pretty shiny box. I always love how they package these. It makes them easy to open and close and put everything back. I've seen some other different concerts by other artists, and I really like how they're a nice small size, but at the same time, it includes basically everything you could want in here. So that's it for the unboxing of the Sowoozoo BTS 2021 muster. Thanks everyone for joining me.